Hey guys, Josh here, Superior Boat Repair and Sales. Today I'm going to give you a walk around on this brand new 2024 Barletta Lusso 25ue. It's just a beautiful looking boat. We did this in the blue Sapphire with the Blackout package. Got that port side doggy dock view Barletta is known for. We did option this boat with the dual bimini tops. So again, both of those are power biminis. This is sitting on a tandem axle trailer by Boatmate. One cool thing you can see underneath, you got those LED lights that shine down on the tunes. So at night, it just really pops. Looks really good. Got those underwater lights in the back. This is a full tri-tune, so you can see all the underskirting all the way through. And then on the Lusso, you get the dual stage lifting strakes with the invasive species channels there. We did option this boat with the Mercury V10 350 horsepower engine. Beast of an engine. Got that awesome 4-blade stainless steel prop on there. And then new for 2024 is the lily pad transom ladder. It's awesome because it's got these really nice wide foot placements, so it makes it easy getting in and out of the boat. Nice sturdy stainless steel handrail there for getting in. I mean, just take a look at this thing. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, let's jump inside. Got some exciting things inside there to take a look at. All right, so check it out. This is the new upholstery color for 2024. It's the linen with cafe. It's almost like a bone color with a dark brown insert. Beautiful color. You see that Lusso's got that extra diamond stitch patterns there. Got those really nice recessed herd speakers, LED lights in the cup holders, nice leather wrapped grab handles up here in the bow. I mean, this boat is just really put together. Got those fold down armrests. Got that really nice wide entry here in the bow. This does have the anchor storage locker there. Nice place to put that anchor. Cool feature here. Got that nice little trash can hidden away. Nobody has to get up in order to get to it. We'll get to this here in a second, but for the spotter seat, real nice bench seat there. You can fit 2 people. This does slide this way, so if you want to be facing the bar top. Really beautiful white countertop, a little bit of marbling in it. And you do have 2 bar top stools here. These do swivel, so it makes it easy getting in and out, and they lock into place. Again, something cool over here on the port side is this table that pops up. New leg supports for 2024. Just a dream to be able to use. Real nice and easy to deploy. And you can see that auto Audison subwoofer underneath here with your storage. Sound system on this thing is awesome. All right, taking a look here on the starboard side, right behind the captain's seat. Got this nice little kind of bar top, little trash can there. Pretty cool. Be able to put some food or drinks up there. Have a place to set some stuff. And then you got to check out this helm. Just unbelievable. This is all vinyl wrapped up here along the top. Got that beautiful Simrad screen, Audison stereo head unit. And then these are your light controls. So you can see how it's changing colors there. Beautiful Barletta gauges with your push button switches. And then of course, check this out. The B stays in the center. Gotta love this steering wheel. Over here at the throttle, so you got your trim. You do have a push button start there. Bunch of different controls, active trim. Makes it real nice. We'll adjust its trim to make it real nice and smooth for best fuel economy. And then you also got those switches for those power bimini tops. Just an incredible helm. Barletta goes above and beyond when they're making that helm. Great spot to be sitting and driving. All right, making our way aft here. This boat is the UE, so you've got the entertainment package, which is the bar top, and then also your ultra lounge. If you guys have seen my other videos, you know how this works. Got all kinds of configurations that you can do. And this lays flat. So now you can have a rear facing lounge, forward facing lounge, bench seats, all kinds of stuff. And it's good to note there is storage underneath all of these compartments, or all these cushions, I mean. So you can see we got some life jackets, Coast Guard kit underneath here. Just a great place to stow some stuff. And then check out this walkthrough. It's just massive. You're not going to be bumping into anybody when you're walking back here to the transom. You have some really nice extensions going around that engine compartment area. Gives you a nice spot to hang out and jump off of and swim. You do have the screw points if you wanted to add a lily pad diving board. And then these cages are really nice for your fenders. All right, so we'll give you one last look on the interior. Again, this is the new linen with cafe upholstery color. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, folks, and that was a quick walk around on this brand new 2024 Barletta Lusso 25ue. If you want to take a look at this boat in person, come on down to Superior Boat Repair and Sales, or give us a call at 916-638-3382. And thanks for watching.